Got it all sanded down. Pretty good. Wow, you can see look how beat up that bed is. You can't tell anything when stuff's painted white. Man, it's got dents all the way down that thing. So, got it all sanded up pretty good. Sanded over here too. And I was actually going to wrap this truck, and then I bought some cheap duty wrap, and the stuff is like a damn 1/8 inch thick. You can't stretch it at all, and it's just really hard to use. So 86th idea, I'm gonna do olive drab bedliner, because that was kind of the green I was going for anyway, was military green. So now we got it pretty much prepped. Got to do some taping, and we're gonna hit it with the bedliner. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. All right, day 2, kind of done for work with the rest of the day here. We got the truck sanded down, mask off, taped up. About to shoot it with some green rhino liner, some olive drab, kind of like a military green color. See how it turns out. And then got the hood right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hood. I don't plan on running the hood very much, but when I do want to run the hood, we'll have it. So, sounds good. Alrighty. Got her all sprayed. Sides. Overall, I think it came out pretty darn good. We're gonna put a tonneau cover kind of thing on the back. I'm gonna build an aluminum one, and we'll probably rhino or bedline it black. So, man, you can see how many dents this truck really had in it. Man, white really hides a lot of dents. But just gonna be a burnout truck, so it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna do the wheels like we did on the 80s model with the rings. Definitely gonna say burnouts for the bitches on them. And that's about it. So tomorrow we'll get the probably a little while I'll take the tape off of it once it tacks up good. But I got some new black tail lights and black headlights, and then I'm gonna buy I probably might just leave that third tail light green. I didn't tape it off because I was just gonna spray it over and put a new one in it, but I mean, I don't really need tail lights, so it's not a big deal. And then I'll buy a new latch for the tailgate, and then we got a 2018, I think, rear bumper we're going to put on here. So that's actually going to hide that dent on the side there pretty good, because they come all the way around the side here with the step. So it'd be kind of cool. I mean, it is what it is. It's just a beater truck. I'm not trying to win no shows with it, or like, you know, look contests, but she's going to do some rowdy burnouts, that's for sure.